Bloody hell, that did me back in. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. My name is Amar, and on this channel we review a variety of sneakers. Those sneakers mostly being of my favourite pairs, and those mostly being of Nike branding. But in today's video we'll be looking over some options available when it comes to sneaker storage. I'll try to keep this video as short as possible. I've mixed it all up, so by the end of the video I hope you can make a decision whether this product suits your needs. And I will start off by just saying it is a very accessible sneaker storage option in my opinion. But we will get into that as we get further on into the video. So I'll just start off with a short introduction. If you're new along here, please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Please make sure to hit that notification bell and stay up to date with any of my videos. And with all that out of the way, let's start off this video by looking at the box and packaging. Right, so as I mentioned before, I want to keep this video as short as possible, and I won't lie to you, I did struggle when I actually tried to put together the actual box itself. Now please don't be put off by that. That was just me personally. The outer materials are of sort of plastic material. With it being packed, that could have been sort of due to pressure when they were packed. That's a personal opinion. So instead of me looking silly trying to put it together, because it did take me a long while, like I said, I've just put in this video just to show you how easy it is. This is the actual product, so it is very easily done. So I have gone ahead and put together a box. So if I just go ahead and show you the actual sneaker box, this is your sneaker box. It is put together very beautifully. It is very sturdy. You have a nice clear perspex door, and all you do is you just pull that out as so. Very neat, very nice. All your outer materials are of plastic. Right, so I've just gone ahead and put some sneakers in that I had in the back, and this is how they look. Fantastic, very nice, very nice, decent amount of space. I am a UK 6.5, so I do believe these can easily go up to a size 11. Right, so I did say I'm going to try keeping this video as short as possible. I did actually do the video of me putting together a sneaker box. It didn't go to plan, and that also explains why this review is also late. Reason being, I ordered a table so I can do me video and present it to you that way. It didn't go to plan. The table wasn't suitable, so I just had to put the video out as it is. So if we just push along and we talk about availability, I actually got these from Amazon. I will put a link in the description down below. Like I said, in my personal opinion, it is very sturdy, it is very accessible, and it is very modern in my opinion. I know there's a lot of companies that do sneaker storage and they can be quite expensive, but in my opinion, this is a fantastic pickup. Especially when you're getting 6 in a pack and at 40 quid. Yes, there you go, I said it, £40. So do check out the description down below. I will leave a link for you guys. You can then obviously follow that link, check the product out, check out the spec, see if it's suitable for your needs. Here is a QR code, so you can scan that. Make sure you pause the video, scan that, and it should take you straight to the product. I know there's a lot of companies that do sneaker storage and they can be quite expensive, but in my opinion, this is a fantastic pickup, especially when you're getting 6 in a pack and at 40 quid. So I believe I've covered most of what I said I'd cover in this video. I appreciate if you stuck around. I appreciate your support, and I hope this video has helped you make a decision whether this sneaker storage box is for your needs. And I will say it is a very good bargain in my opinion at £40. That said, sneaker boxes don't come cheap, so do check out the description down below. I will leave a link for you guys. You can then obviously follow that link, check the product out, check out the spec, see if it's suitable for your needs. And with all that out of the way, I'm about to wrap this video up. So I appreciate your support and I appreciate you sticking around, and I hope to catch you on the next video.